guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. So today you guys, I'm bringing you my summer 2023 clean and decorate with me. I was so excited about this video. I love the theme I chose. I went with bees and sunflowers again this year, and honestly I love how everything came out, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. You know, honestly, all I drink out of are my tumblers, but I hate washing them. And I think mainly it's because I can't put them in the dishwasher, but it's fine. I mean, clearly you guys can see I have so many of them.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
You guys have heard me talk about this couch. Well, while this couch is so comfortable, I literally have to move those cushions all the time. And yes, I know that is a fall blanket and this other one is a Christmas blanket, but they're two of my favorites, and so I just put them up so you can't see them. I just use them when I'm cold. It's fine.
I wish I knew.
showing you guys that instead of using sugar to go in that second canister, I went ahead and used my drink packets that I put into my water because I realized I don't put sugar in my coffee anymore, so I needed something else to go there. You guys can see in the background I'm watching Friends. I'm literally always watching Friends. It's just like, it's my comfort show, and it's usually just on as background noise, so I just needed something on that night. Y'all, this is the first time I feel like I really enjoyed putting my tier tray together. I feel like it only took me like a few moves with everything, but it came out perfect, I think, in my opinion. And I feel like that's never happened for me doing my tier tray, and I was so happy with the way this one came out this time. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Again, I love how everything turned out. I love this theme. It is perfect for the summer, and yeah, I just love it so much. I hope you guys did too, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.